Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Life with Sarooh. Today we are going to see how to cook Polos Curry. In a pot, add 4 tablespoons oil. Add some rampe and curry leaves. Add 2 medium-sized onion, 12 clove garlic. Now add some fenugreek seeds. Now mix all these together for few minutes. Add 1 tablespoon chili powder. Now mix all together. Now I am adding my 400 grams of jackfruit to cook. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now add the balanced chili powder and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Add chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix all together and keep cooking. Now add 200 ml of water to cook. Add 2 pieces of goroka and cinnamon stick. Now I am adding the green chilies. Now add the tomatoes. Close with the lid and keep cooking for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open the lid and mix all together. Now you can add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. With that, I am adding 50 ml of coconut milk also. Now mix all together to cook. After, add some roasted coriander powder on that. Now you can decorate with some rampe leaves and tomatoes. Now our delicious jackfruit curry is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.